Good morning, guys. So today we have a couple of errands to run and I decided I will take you guys along with me. So the first thing we are going to do is get my nails done. So I do want to clarify that in South Carolina, everything has been opened for weeks. I will be wearing a mask in the salon when I'm getting my nails done. I just wanted to clarify that before anybody came for me in the comments section saying I shouldn't go or whatever, but I'm taking the right precautions, don't worry. I haven't gotten them done in a month when they first opened up just because I just didn't have the time and I honestly just didn't want to sit there and get them done because I hate sitting there and getting them done, but I like the after look. So it's been a while since I've gotten them done, so we're gonna go get them done today. And then after that, I have to run to the post office and mail something out. And then maybe pick something up to eat because I haven't eaten yet, but it's only 10, so I might be okay. I don't know, I have a soda here because this is my coffee in the morning. I don't like coffee that much, but to get my caffeine fix enough to like tolerate the taste of what I'm drinking, I always drink my Diet Cokes. That's my drink that I am obsessed with, other than a Starbucks drink, but I actually might be getting a Starbucks drink. I just thought about that on the way home because I don't want to get it on the way there because then it kind of would be like not melted obviously because I get a refresher, but it'll be watered down because of the ice, so I'm gonna probably get that on the way home. I'm trying to decide if I want to get Dunkin or Chick-fil-A to eat. For Dunkin, I'd get a bagel, and obviously for Chick-fil-A, I don't know what I would get. I really just want the fries mainly. So I have no idea what we're doing with that yet, but it is Monday. My husband is working, and he's been working a crazy schedule over the last 2 weeks, and it'll still be crazy for the next week. So I haven't really gotten to spend a lot of time with him over the last couple of days, so that kind of, over the last couple of week and a half, 2 weeks, so that kind of sucks, but I understand it's only for like a short period of time before we'll get like our schedule back to normal again. I don't have to work today. I didn't have to work yesterday because Sundays and Mondays are usually our days off together, but we obviously didn't get to, which is fine. I mean, it's sad because I miss my husband so freaking much, but it's okay. I'm going to give an update on my engagement ring. So if you guys don't know, we got married during the pandemic that was going on. So we were originally going to, he was originally going to propose in Disney World this July, but due to everything that happened, we couldn't see each other for a really long time, and he obviously knew that his engagement plans were kind of canceled, I guess, because of everything. So he literally proposed to me on my front porch of my house, which is actually what my dad did with my mom when he came back from, I think it was like the Air Force or something. He proposed to her on the front porch, so he did that for me, and it was kind of cute. I was like, oh my gosh, like my dad did that with my mom. I thought it was really sweet. And then we got married 2 weeks later. So my engagement ring wasn't actually sized to my finger because he still had a long time before he was going to propose. So it was a size 7 and my hand is a size 5, or my finger is a size 5. So we went to Jared's, I think it's almost been a month now, to get it sized to my finger and then also get a wedding band. But my wedding band has to be custom made to fit around my diamond because my diamond is so big. Not trying to be like, oh my god, my diamond is so big, but like my diamond's too big for like any of the other regular bands. So like this ring is an Amazon ring, and like there's a space or a gap between the engagement ring and the band because the diamond is big. So we obviously had to get that size to it. So our ring is not, the band won't be ready for about 8 weeks, but my engagement ring, they're getting sized as well. They said it'll be about, I don't remember if it was like 4 weeks or something like that. Sorry, my car is gonna beep because I took it off. So I have to wait because they're gonna size my ring, so that'll be like 2 weeks, and then they have to make a like casing, or like I forget the word that they used, so like I don't know what it's called, but something that they can like make the ring. Oh frick, I don't know what it's called. It's like, I don't know what it is. They had to like make a replica almost of my ring, like a fake one, so they can like custom the band around it, but that way I can still get my engagement ring back in a certain amount of time. So we're waiting on a picture for that to see how they would look together, and then we'll give them the okay, and they can start making the band and I'll get my ring back. So it's been almost 4 weeks now, and I miss my ring so freaking much. So hopefully I'll get that soon. And then that's what's going on. I still have a couple of minutes before my appointment, so I'm kind of just gonna sit in my car and like go on my phone and stuff like that. But I will get back to you guys when my nails are done. This is the before. Like I said, it's been a month since I've gotten them done, so they're kind of disgusting. So I honestly have no idea what I want to do with my nails. I haven't really thought about it, honestly. Because I don't know. I don't know if I want to get them shorter and get them like coffin shape or what, but I have to figure that out. So I guess I will talk to you guys when I'm done with my nails. So I went to the post office and then realized it doesn't open till noon. So I still have 20 minutes till it opens. Thank God it's not like a crazier time, like I still would have had like an hour or something like that. So I still haven't gotten my food yet, so I will just go get my food before I go to the post office, and then by the time I get my food, it should be time for them to open, I hope. Oh no, do I want Dunkin or Chick-fil-A? Oh, I think I want Dunkin, because they're both of course in the opposite direction of where the other is. So I guess we're gonna get a bagel today. Kind of feeling it. My hair is like a mess. Got my nails done. This is what they look like. I went with a light blue color because I actually wanted pink, but they didn't have like a pretty pink. So I decided to get the blue. And then that's what's up. Took about an hour, which is fine. And now I literally drove 15 to 20 minutes. Post office closed, so good thing Dunkin's right here. I don't think it'll pass 20 minutes. I think it'll pass about 10, so I'll just sit in my car and wait the other couple of minutes until it's open, which is kind of a struggle because I don't have AC in my car, as I've said before, so that's gonna suck. But I'm gonna go ahead and order my food, and then I will get back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got my food and I decided to get, I'm gonna turn my car off. So I decided to get some munchkins because I was feeling like some donuts. So I got 10 munchkins, I already ate 2. Surprise, surprise. And then I got my sausage, egg and cheese wrap and my everything bagel in there, and I still have 10 freaking minutes to wait and I'm sweating so bad. So this is gonna be a struggle. I don't know if I should just like go in there and like wait online for them to open, which I don't see why that's a bad idea. There's someone coming next to my car. Don't want him to know I'm talking. Well, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you guys, but it looks like I'm talking to myself. But I think I'm just gonna head inside and like literally just stand there for 10 minutes because AC and no AC. So I will talk to you guys when I'm out. Okay guys, so I finished up at the post office. It took me like 25 minutes to actually get like what I needed to mailed out. They were having like problems with the system and everything like that, so it took a really long time, and I went in there 10 minutes early and there was already a line of like 7 people, so you can imagine how that went. And I decided that I was like, I deserve a Starbucks drink, so I got my strawberry refresher and it was free because I had enough points. So good. So now I'm going to have someone stare at me in the truck next to me, which is totally fine. I totally like getting stared at, right? But I am going to go home. I'm so excited to go home. I've been out all morning and I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna go home, and Molly and I are actually going to play Fortnite. So I haven't played Fortnite with her in a couple days because I've either been busy, or when I would text her if she wanted to play, she wouldn't answer me, period. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy for the rest of the day. I'm gonna wait for Cole to get home, and I'm so excited. He doesn't get off till 5 though, so I still have a couple hours to wait. So yeah, that's what I will be doing for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.